Muslim girls' names starting with U, V, W, X and Y with meaning in English. Ujas means bright. Ulfah means friendship, harmony, love. Ulfat means friendship, love, attachment, affection, familiarity. Ulima means wise, learned. Umaiyyah means female servant or attendant, a woman who serves for the country. Umamah means leadership, motherhood. Umaymah means young mother. Umm Kulthum means one with round face. Unaysah means friendly. Urooj means height, exhalation, high. Ushta means everlasting happiness. Uzma means greater, more dignified, more exalted. Waahibah means giver, generous. Waheeda means one, unique. Waajidah means one who has achieved her goal, a lover or beloved. Waaliyah means the female governor, manages, measures. Waarisah means an heir, a master, a lord, an honor, a successor. Waasilah means joining, connecting. Wafa means loyalty, faithfulness. Wafeeqa means successful. Wafiyah means loyal, faithful. Waheebah means giver, generous. Waheeda means unique, singular, beautiful. Waheebah means giver, donor, the generous one. Waheeda means unique, exclusive. Wajahat means respect, high position, dignity, comeliness, appearance. Wajad means passion. Wajia means of a good appearance, handsome, respectable, eminent, distinguished. Wakalat means leadership, advocacy, attorneyship. Wakila means the trustee, the agent. Walida means newborn. Waaliyah means princess, friend. Wamil means beautiful. Wakar means dignity, grace. Varda means rose, deep red color, brave. Waarisah means heiress. Wasifa means praised, one who describes. Waasilah means inseparable friend. Wasima means graceful, pretty. Watib means heart. Wazira means a female minister of state. Visal means communion in love. Zevara means brilliant, feminine form of Xavier. Yakut means ruby, a precious stone. Yafia means high. Yakuta means emerald. Yala means exalted, high. Yalda means born at night. Yalkut means an early woman. Yamama means valley in Arabia. Yamha means dove. Yamina means right and proper. Yani means little butterfly. Yakut means ruby. Yasim means morning fresh air. Yasira means lenient. Yasmin means jasmine flower. Yumn means good fortune, success. Yumna means right side, blessed, grace. Yusra means the prosperous one, easy. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me. Please note that this video tutorial is only for knowledge sharing purposes. I can't guarantee the accuracy of the meanings and pronunciation of names in this tutorial. Name can be spelled and pronounced differently. I would advise you to consult a local scholar for verification before deciding a name for your baby. Thank you very much for joining me. Please like, share and subscribe. I will see you next time. Until then, take care, keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.
Like, share, subscribe. Ifactner.